Hi, welcome to all. Um, Myself is Dr. Uma Mageshwari. I'm an associate and head of finance in Vivekananda Institute of Management Studies. It's immense pleasure to give the what is about our college and what we are how we are going. You are going to travel for the 1.5 years as a MBA graduate. And we have been very first I have to give the introduction about the college. The college has been started in the year 2012 of 150th birthday of Vivekananda, and the missions and everything will be based on the career of management students. Okay, so we have been very I'm very happy to share about our college and how the things are going for the next 1.5 years in your career. And I'll share my PPT, and you can see how the things are. And if you have any doubts or any clarification, you can be contact us at any time. And now I'm going to start my PPT. Yes, and this is Vivekananda Institute of Management Studies, and it is shortly known as VIMS, VIMS. And the students they will usually say that it is VIMS, and it is an affiliated to Anna University, that is permanent affiliated to Anna University and AICT. It is a stand-alone business school that that is the grade of standalone in India. The few colleges has got that grade as a standalone. So I want to first, before going for the things, I want to give this clear description about the standalone. The colleges which has been taught as a professional in way. Okay, that is mean by the standalone. That is example. If you're going for the medical or if you're going for the law college, you will prefer only the uh, uh, that type of colleges, that is medical colleges and law colleges. So as a management college, as a management students, you want to be a professional way of learning. And companies, those who have been coming for the placement, they look for only the colleges which have been teaching as a professional manner. We that is it is a grade of standalone, so no other department is running over here. We have been intake of 120, and whenever the students come to the career, come choosing the college, they have been very conscious in five aspects. I want to give the clear concept of five aspect what the students is expected while they coming for their career. Now, first thing, what is about the college and the credential, and the second is about the faculty, and third is how the teaching methodology and placements. And other than the placements, if the students are willing to go for an entrepreneurs, that is value added program other than MBA, they have to be teach and learned additionally as a certification courses. And last and foremost important thing is what is the benefit is going to avail in their fee structure. So these are the things that the students will be very conscious while they deciding their colleges. Okay, first I'll give about the college. It is, I already said, is a permanent affiliated to Anna Institute, is a permanent affiliated in AICT. And it is a stand-alone business school. First thing. Second thing is we are provide credentials of colleges. The college is ranked among the top business school in India, Tamil Nadu, and Coimbatore. It is ranked among the top business school in all levels, and that too in ROI and teaching learning process. What is meant by ROI? That is return on investment, where the colleges is placed the students in top class salaries. It is one of the best college in Coimbatore is placing the students in highest salary. That is very, very important because students are coming for the MBA as a graduate to earn more, and they want to get back their returns what they are investing. So this we have been very proud, and to be enough to say we have been under ROI. And next is teaching methodology. Before coming for the teaching methodology, I want to say about the faculty members. This is the second thing what you are expecting. In our college, more than 50% of faculties have been a doctorates and they have been a specialized in their field, and moreover, we appoint the faculties only on the experience basis. No freshers have been appointed over here. So all the faculties have been experienced and they have been very full-fledged in their career activities. So they have each and every faculties have this uniqueness in their specialization, and their success rate is more than 16 to 18 years of experience each and every faculty is holding. And second and important thing is teaching learning process. I come to that. What is how the teaching learning process, that is, it is a practical oriented learning where we have been adopted, and we are every colleges will be usually they say we have to fill the gap between the institutional and industries. So our curriculum is framed, even it is an Anna University curriculum. Anna University curriculum, we have been framed about the other things. Okay, how the thing is, we are bridging the gap. That is, only the 50% of the days the students will be held in the college. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The 3 days they will be in the college, and they will learn the theoretically what the syllabus is given and what is the updations of their syllabus and everything. So after learning the 3 days of their management concept, they have to see whether it is implemented in management industry or not, because they want to be very clear. So when the students are going out from the campus, they should not feel they have been very outdated. They're studying the outdated syllabus and the concept is not to be in industry. So we want to make the students more confident, that is, they're learning only the conceptual learning by giving the thing as okay. So they each and every week they have to go to the industry along with their mentors, and every student has to select one industry per month. Okay, one industry per month, and that they have to go for the training, and they have to learn the concept of particular industries, and over a month, and after the month end they have to submit their report. They have to submit their report as known as empirical micro learning. Okay, empirical micro learning about that industry. So see, when one student is going for they're selecting the one industry per month, if that is hardly they have the 6 months of gap for each and every semester. So more than 6 to 7 industries they have been choosing and learning. And moreover, their friends also selecting the other industries. By sitting in one campus, by sitting in one place, they can gather more than 100 industries of experience. Okay, so that is the one thing that makes our students to learn lively and practically. Okay, so it is not possible to make the students to go for a 1 day and showcasing the industry how they are running and asking them to prepare the report. By seeing the 1 hour or 2 hours of industrial training will not give them to sufficient knowledge. So that's why our training methodology has been changed. And that is one thing. Next, we are giving the specialization at a sector specialization, normal and a sectorial specialization. And that is marketing, finance, human resources, systems, operation. And the students can take the dual specialization in that. If the students is very conscious in their sectorial specialization like logistics and supply chain and infrastructure management, they can choose that also. Okay, so they can be specialized in one specialization, or if they want to for the dual specialization, they can go for the dual specialization based on the Anna University curriculum. Okay, and this is the one thing. And along with the empirical micro learning, we are giving the additional courses of each and every semester, how we are transforming the students. That is, we have been promoting the students as a communication. We cannot expect the professionals to come and sit and learn the noun and pronoun and adjective sound during their professional periods. So they want to train as a professional. So we are giving the training certificate, that is UK based training, English to train the certificate. That is given by the AFEX body. It is not by the colleges or the local institutions. It is given by the UK AFEX body. They are trained in the professional manner as a communication, and they asked to write their exams, and the certificate will be provided. Ma'am, what is the purpose of this certificate? As I already said, we have the long vision. So after the completion of their professional degree, most of the students are being into abroad. So that time they have to be hardly they have to spend 1 year for their training of English, and they have to write the TOEFL and IELTS examinations. So for that, what we thought is, so let us do the training from the beginning itself. So the training is going to traveling like that. Okay, so they get the certificate of UK. And other important dream of each and every student and parents is a government job. Okay, so most of the students, what they do is after completing their UG, they will be spending 2 years of 3 years of going for the competitive exam training. But unfortunately, they can't able to crack their things. And after 2 years, they see back, they have their career or the qualification will not be enhanced or they're not being improved. Only the UG degree they have. So only the failures of their things. So what we thought is, okay, let us give for the competitive exam training during their course period itself. From the first day of the competitive exam, from the first day of the college, we'll started to give the training for the students for the competitive exams like banking, railways, and income tax. Okay, so we are giving the training for the students. So 100 hours theories and 25 hours practical hours is given for the students. So automatically from the during the second semester, students will be more eligible for their exams. Okay, more eligible for their competitive exams. So few students might be said, ma'am, we are not interested to go for the competitive exams. For what purpose we are going? So one thing that is, when you are going for an MNC companies or other companies, they have been expecting your aptitude knowledge. So I think this training might be helpful to crack your placements in higher companies. Okay, so that is using for the students, they are using for their placement also. So this has been the first semester. And what I said is learning pedagogy, that is, it is very different. Okay, it's a task oriented education. It's a task oriented education. I have to be very clear in that. Okay, so making the students to sit in the class as a traditional way of 9 to 5 and teaching them in the theoretical factor is alone gives a result. It gives a result, but as a knowledge, we have to go, they have to enhance in the practical way. So what we decided is, we have decided the education as a task oriented. Each and every subject we have the task. Okay, each and every subject we have the task. Students has to complete their task then and there. Okay, as a subjects. Okay, example, if they have been studying a BR, say they want to publish a research paper in a UGC journals or the Scopus. So we have been helping them to do that. Okay, and if they want to be HR, that is, they have been very specialized in HR, so they have to meet the HR and they have to prepare the documentaries. And if for the POM paper, they want to prepare the conceptual videos. So whenever, whatever the subject is, we are giving the task and making them to students to learn in practical way. Okay, I'll say a small example of how the teaching will be. One thing, when we want to make the students to know about the consumer purchasing behavior, by teaching them in the 50 minutes class by putting the PPT, yeah, they get the knowledge, but whether it's been into the mind. So how we making the students is, we take the students to be in the mall or the mall or a big mall. We'll ask them to go there and to observe how the customer is behaving with their perception. So when they are into the departmental store, when they are into the branded shops, and when they're there into the other dressings or any accessory shops, how they are preferring and how they are how their buying behavior is there. So during that time, the students will go there and they'll observe how the customer is behaving when they are entering into the shops during the departmental store or by the branded showrooms. And they will observe keen observation, and they will give more information after the observation is over. When we are asking them to go for the presentation, what is the consumer behavior? So they will give the more than of insights about their perceptions of consumer behavior. So this is the way of where we make the students to learn, where they make the students to learn. So that is BOBTL, that is pedagogy, that is corporate stimulation, and each and every subject the case study will be given, and make the students to solve the cases, live cases will be shared to the students, and they make them to share the live cases. Okay, live cases. And we make the students to prepare the business plan and all. I'll inform you when we are coming to the entrepreneurship. So this is the way of teaching methodology, that is outcome based teaching and learning, where we are practically into the college 3 days and 2 days of industrial, 1 day of your value added program. So this is the way your curriculum is structured. During the second semester, along with the overview of specialization, you are going to learn about the business analytical by IBM. IBM is certifying you in the business analytical courses. You know how far the IBM is in business analytical. They are the first topper in the certification courses. So we are giving the training to the students in business analytical courses, and we have been certified by the IBM. So second semester, they are holding the IBM certifications. and they are moving. During that time, they go for the outbound training, team building, guest lectures, and IT party. So many activities will be given during that time to enhance their personalities, enhance their knowledge. Okay, to move to the strategical factors. Everything will be given in the during the traveling time. And in third semester, students are being given their specialization, and each and every semester the career profiling will be there. Every career profiling will be there. And how the career profiling is, so on the first day students will be profiled and will be sent to their parents or their guardians or their mentors, how he and she is. And after each and every month, their transformation will be sent as a career profile to their concerned person. So that makes the person, that makes the parents as well as the mentors as well as the students, they can be very motivated, because the career profiling will becomes up and up by giving the proper training programs. So they feel very motivated and encouraged, and they are being given more and more of their insights to enhance more themselves. Okay. And and not only by giving this academical factors, many students, we feel that is last 16 years of my career, I seen the most students have been very good in their extracurricular activities. Most of them has been instrumentals, and they have been poetry makings, and so that will be also given more priorities. In the evening time, we'll be in the sitting in the lawn, have the cup of coffee, and we have the recreation clubs. We are encouraging them to bring out their talented, okay, talented, like a fine art clubs and all. So, and celebrating the Onam festival and celebrating the Pongal festivals, and cultural interactions will be there. So that also makes the students to be feel comfort in their campus. Okay, and make them to feel the hometown. Okay, they don't want to miss their parents or their friends in their hometown. They make them to feel more comfort and more energetic to the campus. Okay. And this is the second thing. Third thing, what I said is learning methodology. Now we are coming to the placement, where students have been very eager to see that. So we third semester, on month of October, the companies will started to arrive into the campus. So they started to arrive into the campus. The students will be sent to the placement based on their specialization. But one important thing in WIMS is, we have been very proud, no BPO and KPO companies are encouraged over here. Okay, so we are not allowing that any companies like that to be entered into the campus, because, and only the specialization. Okay, so and that too, we have been very think the students can participate in n number of companies. Okay, there is no any restriction at all. If the students is getting one or two offers, we never restrict the students not to participate in the third and fourth company. Even at 10 companies are coming, students are well and wish. If he's willing to participate in the interview, he can participate. So we are not restricting. Even if he's holding that 10 offers, anyway, he's going to select the one or two offers. We are not restricting the students. That is the rights of student. He can participate in any number of things. Okay, that is the main important thing. So based on their specialization, that is HR, finance, marketing, the companies will be arriving, and we are placing the students based on their company. Okay, and I already given the certification courses and all. Okay. So these are the places. Current year, the 2020-21, we placed the students in highest salary of 12 lakhs in HR field. Okay, HR and marketing field. Okay, so we have the top companies regularly. It has been arriving into the WIMS campus to recruit the students, and very important thing. When we have been very proud to say is the placement of 50% of placement is offered by our alumni. Okay, so when they are going out from the campus, when they have been placed in a good job, and if any recruitment is needed for their companies, they're calling us for their recruitment, because they know how the colleges trained the students and how the students will be. Immediately they are calling us, ma'am, can you send any of our juniors for the, because the company is having the good placement. So we want to give more priority for our juniors, where we know them very well. So it is very proud to be having that is 50%. Yes, exactly 50%, more than 50% of placements are arrived only through the alumni. Okay, so that is very, very important thing, because alumni are not only with us, they will traveling along with you. Okay, whenever you're coming, when the profile career has been taken place, you have the three mentors. One is institutional mentors, one is industrial mentors, second is alumni mentors. Okay, these three mentors will be traveling along with you. So each and every student will have the three mentors. You can get the guidance from three of them. So you by the institutional mentor, you get that is theoretical knowledge. Okay, and if you are industrial mentors, they give the update of the society, update of the industry. And if it is an alumni mentors, they will solve your problems, and they will be making you to be comfort in the campus. So this is a way where we train the students. Okay, in placement also, we have been very proud that already I informed you in the beginning that as ROI awards will be honored by the WIMS College. Okay, so that is very proud at one, and we have been regularly we have been placing the students in top class salaries. Okay, but one important thing I want to say is whenever you are traveling with placements, equal priority is given for entrepreneurship. Okay, so we have been very proud to say that as each and every year, 3 to 4 students have been transforming into entrepreneur. Whenever they are coming to the campus, they will be very clean in their placement, the entrepreneurship. They will say, "Ma'am, we're not looking for placements. We want only the business thing." So when the students is coming like that, we have the 2,500 projects in our hands. So we'll share the project to the students. Students can select the projects. Some of the students will have well knowledge about it because they will come from their business family, so they have to enhance their family business, so they go like that. And second type of category will have the business plan in the idea, they don't know how to establish their business, how to source their finance. So for them we are giving the up to 5 lakh of loan assistance to the students. We'll tie up with the MSME DIC and a venture capitalist to get this funds. Okay, so that makes them to benefit to start their business. And from the first day we are giving the business plan training to the students, all the students, not only for the entrepreneurship, all the students has to know how to prepare the business plan. Okay, so see this, they have been promoters of various things. This is a sample, that is they have been a proprietor for each and every business. They have been sharing their views and ideas, and every year they come here to the college and they share their ideas and how the entrepreneurship transform, what is the challenges is facing, how they can source their funds, and how they can meet their market and all. It's a immense pleasure that is to be inviting this type of students to giving their feedbacks. Okay, so this is the entrepreneur. This is the second wing of Vivekananda. So you can say, "Ma'am, I'm not having the idea of. I have the idea to do the business only after 2 years. So whether I can approach the colleges after 2 years?" We have been welcome even after the 10 years. We are coming back to the college to getting the projects and getting the financial assistance. We are ready to do that. Okay, and meantime for the placement we are giving the 100% assurance of placement. If I'm challenging the students, I give the assurance to the students. Students have been participating in all the training activities, and all his placement training has 100% of attendance and good performance. And he's participated in the all the activities, and he has a good academic record. And all the certification courses he has been completed, and he's participated in all the interviews. Everything has been very success rate. But even though he's not placed means, okay, we are ready to give back all your payment, that is we are returning all your fee back. Okay, that is assurance we are giving. Okay, that much of 100% placement we are giving to the students. But one condition is you have to sign the things, you have to participate in all the activities. Okay, all the training programs which is given by the colleges and outsiders. Okay, and moreover we have been very conscious, we never sent any of the students from our beginning of from the 2012, never sent any students to go out to participate in the placement activities and job camp and the job fair anywhere. All the companies should arrive to the campus and they have to place. So this is the policy the WIMS is maintaining. We never allow any students to go out to involve in all the things, that is to participate in job fairs conducted by the other colleges or institutions or universities and private concerns. We never allow them. Okay, because we know we can place our students, 100% placement will be given to our students, and because that much of company we having in my hands. Okay, so that is the only important thing I have to share. And this third thing, I think hope I have completed. Last and foremost is infrastructure. Okay, it is an 1 acre of land is exclusively only for MBA students. All the infras and all the things have been only for you. Okay, it is utilized only for the students. Okay, and that is see, this is a college outside campus, and entire building has been utilized only for the MBA. So lab and library will be running from morning 8 o'clock to night 8 o'clock. Students can utilize up to the most. Okay, it's on Wi-Fi connectivity campus, Wi-Fi connectivity. So you because without technology, without the electronic device, you cannot sit in the class. Okay, you can see the classrooms. Classrooms, it's been well furnished classrooms. All the tables and all the things, the electricity connectivity is given for your laptops and your electronic device, because each and every time you have to update yourself in the classes going on, the faculty members immediately they will give the case study to solve the problems, and they will ask current affairs and everything has to be updated by you. So this is the setup of class. It's a central air conditioned classroom, lab, library, everything is a central air conditioned campus. With the projectors, only the modern teaching learning process will be taken place. Okay, this is the thing, and it's wonderful, fine library has been provided. More than 5,000 volumes have been there, and each and every, that is a Delnet, and that is a digital library has been provided. You can utilize that up to the most. Okay, it is working for till 9 o'clock, and students can take 10 books per semester, and the students can return their books after their semester is over. Okay, we are not insisting the students has to get the no dues and they have to return their books before their examination. You can take 10 books per head. Students, you can take 10 books per semester, and you can return back that books only after their semesters. So that is the privilege is given to the students. Okay, you can utilize it up to the most. Not only the teaching academical factors, only the competitive exams books, n number of books are there. Competitive exams books and general novels and knowledge subjects, everything is provided in the library. Okay, sir, you can utilize that, and digital library is also provided. And this is a central air conditioned seminar hall where there's 300 students are accompanied over here, and all the training activities and all the activities will be done in the seminar halls. Okay, so your presentations and everything will be done over here, and it's a wonderful fitness clubs where the WIMS is having, and it is can be utilized by the students in the hostel and the day scholars. Morning session is allotted to the girls, and they can, because the girls hostel inside the campus, it is very benefited to the students to use their fitness club during the morning session, and the trainer will be there, and that is regarding their nutrition factors and the way of workouts will be trained by the trainers. Okay, you can clear the doubts with the trainers, and you can utilize this. And for the morning evening, the boys can, that is boys can be utilized as fitness club, and the trainers will be in the whole day. You can get the guidance from them based on your training methodology. And it is a movie room is provided to college, and management movies will be telecast over here, and you can gain the management concepts over the movies. Now movies is not only for the entertainment, it is a very management concept. Each and every movies, as a management students, whenever you are watching movie, you have to learn some management concept over there. Okay, it is also an entertainment, we are not doing that, but each and every management movies will be telecasted. You can learn n number of management concepts, strategies over this movie, so you can utilize that. It is not that there is no any timing. If you want any refreshments evening, you want to watch any movies regarding the management, you can go there and you can telecast that, and you can use that, because till 8 o'clock you can be in the campus. Okay, so that is not any restriction, no restrictions is that. And in the meantime, there is a yoga room is provided to the students, and you can use that we are appointed the trainer for the yoga also, and you can utilizing yoga thing also. Okay, and this is an hostel for girls. That hostel facilities I already said, girls hostel is inside the campus, and campus that is room, each and every room, three students will be allotted. And if the students are especially and exclusively they need enough air condition, that type of class rooms also is being exclusively provided for the students. Okay, three students in one room, and all these things have been given by the college, that is cot, bed, wardrobe, study table, with Wi-Fi connectivity, with the attached restroom, no common toilet, attached restroom and toilet will be provided to the girl students. You can utilize it, be very safe and secure, and a CCTV camera has been inserted, and 24 hours security will be over there. Okay, and warden is being provided. She will be take care of the things, and during your washing machine will be provided for the each and every staff, and you can utilize based on their timing. Okay, the warden will be giving the timing, so each and every room you can use the based on the timings. Okay, and food will be provided, and that is Kerala and Tamil Nadu. That's because it's a multicultural campus. All the students from all the sites, because 50% of students from Kerala is accompanying over here, and other 50% from Tamil Nadu. And entire India is Odisha and Rajasthan. Every students are coming over here. You have the multicultural activities over here. So that is an you have the getting friends from all over India. So foods have been based on that. The Kerala and Tamil Nadu and Andhra, all the foods will be provided based on their thing. Each and every 3 months, the menu will be revised based on the students' meeting. Okay, and the one faculty will be taking care of your hostel along with your warden, and 24 hours the faculty and the warden will be taking care of you, and RO water and water doctors and everything will be provided over here. Okay, and boys hostel. Boys hostel is outside the campus. It's in half a kilometer. So two students in one room, and cot, bed, wardrobe, study table with Wi-Fi connectivity. All the facility like same will be provided there also. Okay, so this is the campus of the boys will be given, and from the hostel, the cab will be picked from the college from the morning, and it will be dropped in the evening. And there is no any cost. That is a free of cost of picking and dropping. The students will be picked and it will be dropped to the college. And evening, 5 o'clock after the college time is over, the cab will be ready. The students can be utilized in the evening. Okay, because students, most of the evening time, the students will be engaged in many activities like recreation club, fitness, and more student. I already informed you like a part-time job. Okay, so from the second semester, students are giving the benefit of working experience, benefit of working experience, and students can work during from the second semester to the live projects. For the live projects, so that training will be given the first semester. Second semester, the project will be started to allot to the students. How much of project you are completing per month, the salary will be paid by the companies. Okay, when you are quitting from the placement part-time job, the company will be giving the experience certificate. They will give the experience certificate to you. Okay, so that is the so these are the things I think I given enough things about the college. And last and foremost and fifth criteria is, what are the features, ma'am, I get from the things of fees I have been paid. That is from the first semester, you are given the certification, English certification courses and competitive examination. And each student will be given the two set of uniform. One is blazer, which you are going to wear on Monday, and Tuesday, Wednesday is a own dress code. And Thursday, Friday, when you're going to the industry, you're wearing the T-shirt of the college logo that will be provided by the college. And second semester, you'll be IBM certification courses that is also included in your fee structure. And third and fourth semester mid, you are being taken into the international internship and IB. That also will be taken care by the fees itself. Okay, including the fees, the internship and local IB, outbound training, placement training, all the things have been given. So everything is a mandatory inclusive of fees. And there is other optional things where we are providing two things, foreign languages. So we are giving the foreign language. You know that is, as an MBA student, you are not going to work only in India. You have been in a global world, so you must have the knowledge of 3 to 4 languages. So we are giving the Japanese, French, and German. So there is a N1 and A1 level. You can complete learning, reading, and writing levels. And second is IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standard. I think the common students, it will be very useful for you as a graduate. It is equivalent to CA. Okay, that is all over the global, the same accounting system will be maintained. That will be taught by IFRS. So that is IFRS will be given, and that is an optional course. Language and thing is optional course where you can utilize this optional courses by thing, or otherwise you can pay. The scholarship will be utilized as a cash, or you can utilize as a courses. Okay, and that will be clearly explained during the admission process. During the admission process, that will be given. And other important thing is, the students those who have been awarded this university rank in the fourth semester, that is getting the university rank in MBA, your last semester 50% fees will be refunded to the students. Okay, so that is also very important, where I have been given assure, if you have not been placing, you have been your fees will be returned back. Same thing if you are getting the university rank up from first to 10th rank, the 50% of fees will be given back to the students to honor the students for that. Okay, and students coming from the background of agriculture and a single parent and farmer family, okay, and that is district and state level players, that type of students is also given the special concession in the fees, okay, and like reserve category. So these are the, because it's a trust based education, so it comes under the Coimbatore Education Foundation, so it's a trust based education. Students have been given fees concession based on their backgrounds, okay. And if we have been expecting the loan assistance from the college has been ready to provide the loan assistance in various way. Okay, I don't want to give all the things by thing. If we have been during the admission process, whatever the thing is, we'll be take care from the starting entering into the college till you're going out. All the things from your loan purpose till your placements, all the things will be taken care by the college. Okay, and we have been very proud to happy, and we have been very to share all the things about the colleges, okay. And we are expecting you to be in the campus and visit the campus and see all the websites, YouTubes, and everything will be shared. And happy for being listening all this till now, okay. And happy, be safe at home, wear mask, and maintain the social distancing, okay. We have been as a, we have the social responsibility also as a management students, we have the more responsibility than others. So I think hope we have been to that, okay.